Hello guys, this is Benji again. I will show you my new town. I made that new town 3 weeks like that. 3 weeks, yes, 3 weeks. Then this is it. I'll show it to you, but this is not finished. I made the road. This I also made this. I also made this. I made this, but then when I was post this in Facebook, they say that my city or my new town is a mod. See that guys? They're saying this is a mod. How can we get a mod like this? A mod like this is like a stick and diamond. When you tap it in the ground was pop up the gold house like that. I have no idea that the mod can make a like this. Then they saying my new town is what do you call this, a map like that. map MCPA. That guy is they not appreciate what I'm doing, and that because of that I'm not posting my work on FB. They always bullshit me. They always. Sorry for that words, guys. Sorry. I really admit that.